Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the history and significance of the Mir Space Station, a pioneering symbol of human space exploration that set the stage for future endeavors in orbit. Mir, meaning peace or world in Russian, was launched in 1986 by the Soviet Union. It became the first modular space station, allowing for expansion and upgrades over time. Initially, it consisted of a core module, which was later expanded with additional modules that enhanced its capabilities for research and habitation. Life aboard Mir was both challenging and rewarding. Crews lived and worked in microgravity, which required them to adapt to new routines. Meals were often simple, focusing on rehydratable foods, and exercise was crucial to maintain muscle and bone density. Astronauts also had to manage limited space and resources. Mir was home to numerous scientific experiments across disciplines, including biology, physics, and materials science. Researchers studied the effects of microgravity on human health and plant growth. One notable experiment involved growing crystals in microgravity, leading to advancements in pharmaceuticals and materials engineering. Mir wasn't just a Soviet endeavor, it became a platform for international cooperation. In the 1990s, crews from the United States, Europe, and other countries visited Mir. This collaboration laid the groundwork for future partnerships in space, notably the International Space Station. Mir operated for 15 years and hosted more than 100 astronauts. By the late 1990s, however, the station began to show signs of wear. In 2001, Mir was deorbited in a controlled descent, re-entering Earth's atmosphere over the Pacific Ocean. Its legacy, however, continues to influence space exploration today. Mir has also made its mark in pop culture, appearing in films, documentaries, and even video games, captivating the imagination of many with its unique design and history. Mir was more than just a space station. It was a testament to human perseverance and international collaboration in the pursuit of knowledge. Thank you for joining us on this journey through history. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more amazing space content.